Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to find out the limit of the sequences. The first example over here is 3n square plus 6n minus 3 over n square plus 2n. First of all, we will take the common n square and then we will apply the limit in order to solve it. So we are going to take n square as common from the numerator, which is 3n square plus 6n minus 3, and it becomes 3 plus 6 over n minus 3 over n square. Basically, the concept over here is that whenever you multiply the common with that number, the answer should be the same as given in the question. So if we multiply n square with 3 over n square, then it comes out as 3. So we can take the n square as common over here in order to cancel it out. So we can apply the limit here. Similarly, from the denominator, we have taken n square as common and remains with 1 plus 2 over n. Now this cancels out with this, and now we are going to apply the limit, which is n goes to infinity. We have done that because we know that as n over 0 is equals to infinity, similarly n over infinity is equals to 0. So now these values comes in that form and can easily replace with the 0, and we will be able to find out the limit of this question. So we have 3 plus 6 over infinity minus 3 over infinity square, which is again infinity, divided by 1 plus 2 over infinity. Now we know that anything divided by infinity is equivalent to 0. So we have 3 plus 0 minus 0 over 1 plus 0, or our limit comes out as 3. So the limit of the given sequence is 3. Similarly, in this question, we are going to take the common and then we will solve it. From the numerator, we have n square as common, and we will have 3 plus 2 over n minus 1 over n square, divided by, here we have n cube, so we have 4 plus 2 over n cube. Now this will completely cancel out, and here we are remain with the m. By applying the limit, which is n goes to infinity, we will have 3 plus 2 over infinity minus 1 over infinity over 4 plus 2 over infinity. So we have 3 plus 0 minus 0 over infinity, 4 plus 0. We have 3 over infinity, as anything multiplied with infinity becomes infinity, and we know that anything divided by infinity is equals to 0. Anything divided by 0 is equals to infinity, and anything divided by infinity is equals to 0. So here 3 is dividing by infinity and it becomes 0. So the limit of the sequence is 0. In this question, we have a limit where x goes to 1, and the problem is x minus 1 over x square plus x minus 2. Now we are going to solve it. First of all, we will solve the denominator with the help of the factorization. So we can write it x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. Now this is similar to this, but we can factorize these values. So we have x plus 2 minus 1, x plus 2. Now we have x minus 1 and x plus 2 as our factors, and here x minus 1 cancel out with this x minus 1, and we are left with 1 over x plus 2. Now we are going to apply the limit, which is x goes to 1. So here we have 1 over 1 plus 2, and we have 1 over 3 as our limit of the given sequence. Here we have another question in which the limit is given as x goes to 9, and the question is x minus 9 over 3 minus root x. We are going to multiply and divide this term with its conjugate in order to solve it. So here we have x minus 9 over 3 plus minus root x. Now we are going to multiply and divide it by 3 plus root x. And we will have x minus 9, 3 plus root x over, here we are going to apply the formula a square minus b square. So we have 3 square minus root x square. We have x minus 9, 3 plus root x over 9 minus, this cancels out with this, and we have x. We are going to take minus common from this term, and we have minus 9 minus x, 3 plus root x. If we multiply this minus with this term, it comes out as x minus 9. So we can take minus common from here. We have done that, so we can cancel it out with the denominator. Now we have minus 3 plus root x. Now x goes to 9. So we are going to put the value over here. Now we have the root of 9 is 3. We have minus 6. So this is the limit of the given sequence. Hope this video is helpful in understanding the sequences and the limit. Thank you for watching. Do visit and subscribe my channel.